bigger than we. I need endless money increase, I can't stop this beef, it's bigger than me. I got a match that's bigger than me, fill up a man that's bigger than me. I got a young G that's bigger than me, I'll clear myself, it'll clear for me.
I'm leaving, far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason, fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding, I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in at the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. Yeah, see goals, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them balls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. More per drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. Don't know. So first in the face, I hear the voice, so you don't know, say a Cogency for the Cogency Rocks channel. And today, we have 6-7, Dimzy, featuring Dopesmoke and Silent. Bro, I don't even know how me never know say this drop. Drop on Dim. Matter of fact, subscribe to Dimzy channel. That way you don't miss when him drop something. You understand? But you don't know, this been out since June 10th, only 8,000 views. Me have to react to it. Dimzy, Dopesmoke and Silent, anything 6-7, bro, I'm gonna listen to it from you. Don't know. Leave any suggestion to any 6-7 song you want me to listen to. If I haven't listened to it before, I'll do it. But if I listen to it before, I'm just not gonna do it. Self-explanatory. Anyway, click my links in the description, gaming channel, music channel, Instagram, and leave a comment and like the video. Yeah. Dude, man, do that fucking shit, man, before I punch you in your fucking face, nigga. Say something again, nigga. I'll punch you dead as shit, nigga. Anyway, forward, I'm gonna jump in that.
I bought a match that's bigger than me, fill up a man that's bigger than me. I got a young G that's bigger than me, I'll glare myself, but you'll glare for me. I need my money bigger than me, bigger than you, bigger than we. I need endless money increase, I can't stop this beef, it's bigger than me. I bought a match that's bigger than me, fill up a man that's bigger than me. I got a young G that's bigger than me, I'll glare myself, but you'll glare for me. I need my money bigger than me, bigger
You hear
than
this
you,
beat?
bigger than we. I need endless money increase, I can't stop this beef, it's bigger than me. I bought a match that's bigger than me, fill up a man that's bigger than me. I got a young G that's bigger than me, I'll clear myself, but you'll clear for me. I need my money bigger than me, bigger than you, bigger than we. I need endless money increase, I can't stop this beef, it's bigger than me. I bought a match that's bigger than me, fill up a man that's bigger than me. I got a young G that's bigger than me, I'll clear myself, but you'll clear for me. I need my money bigger than me, bigger than you, bigger than we. I need endless money increase, I can't stop this beef, it's bigger than me.
I got a young G bigger than me and he's got that thing, so he's only with me. The ZK come long like me, so he stepped in feet trying to turn that tree. Just pass, man. Me, I can't be like Reese. Please, they see me and do high knees. The bad B want a piece of me.
Who's Reese? Is that Liquorus? I don't know. I'm asking. I'm just asking, bro.
Just pass, man. Me, I can't be like Reese. Please, they see me and do high knees. The bad B want a piece of me, can't be with me. She belongs to the streets. What have you done in the streets? Nothing. Blank CV. We got count.
What have you done in the streets? None. Blank CV. Dog, I like that part, fam. Dopesmoke, talk to me. Talk.
With me, the ZK come long.
Nah, start it over, bro.
Me, bigger than you, bigger than we. I need endless money increase, I can't stop this beef, it's bigger than me.
I got a young G bigger than me and he's got that thing, so he's only with me. The ZK come long like me, so he stepped in feet trying to turn that tree. Just pass, man. Me, I can't be like Reese. Please, they see me and do high knees. The bad B want a piece of me, can't be with me. She belongs to the streets. What have you done in the streets? Nothing. Blank CV. We got countless ops in trees. Got trees. These op boys wanna be like we, can't be like we. They're fucking neeks. Anything get hashtag speed, you see. So man, you roll with cheeks. See.
Nah, I think it's anything green gets pleased, alright.
We they're fucking neeks. Anything get hashtag speed, you see. So man, you roll with cheeks. See. You can get shot like a Shiva, you can get chefed up like just eat. This corn that we got ain't.
What?
See. You can get shot like a Shiva, you can get chefed up like just eat.
You can get. Dog, I don't know what he said, bro. Tell me in the comments what he said right here.
So man, you roll with cheeks. See, you can get shot like a Shiva, you can get chefed up like just eat. This corn that we got ain't cheap, but for the ops it comes for free right now. And I just caught me a new Rambo and it won't dance to the GBG. I just caught me a new Rambo and it won't dance to the GBGs.
She wanna dance to the GBGs, and we don't dance. Man say he got a new Rambo and the new Rambo wanna dance to the GBGs. So walk on, let's dance. Wow. If they want to boogie in a rave, I'll bring some big man, let's dance. Walk on, everybody wanna dance. Dog, everybody want dance now, man. Fuck you, but this is sick. I love. I was going to say I love. Nah, yeah, man. I love Dopesmoke song them, dog. I love Dopesmoke as an artist. Not no wine or that, brother. I mean, I love man, brother. You don't try. Yo, one tape. You thumping on your face, you know.
This spoon that we got ain't cheap, but for the ops it comes for free right now. And I just caught me a new Rambo, and it won't dance to the GBG. I just caught me a new Rambo, and it won't dance on the GBG.
I got a match that's bigger than me, fill up a man that's bigger than me. I got a young G that's bigger than me, I'll clear myself, it'll clear for me. I need my money bigger than me, bigger than you, bigger than we. I need endless money increase, I can't stop this beef, it's bigger than me. I got a match that's bigger than me, fill up a man that's bigger than me. I got a young G that's bigger than me, I'll clear myself, it'll clear for me.
My little bros ain't bigger than me, but they walk with the things that's bigger than me.
My little bros ain't bigger than me. I know, Silent, bro. You're a big guy. I even should have named BM, big man. Silent is a big guy, fam.
Myself will clear for me.
My little bros ain't bigger than me, but they walk with the things that's bigger than me. You see, trust you don't wanna get spleeged, I'll do it for the G's, let they'll do it for me. WD-40, hashtag clean. Can we go find some nicks? One got pack ice cream, and the other got pack ice cream. I just copped a new.
Let me tell you what he said. One got packed because he screams. Brain man, I've never heard this before, you know. But let me tell you, bro. This one say, listen, enough of the drill, you know what him say. One got packed because he screamed CT, and the other one got packed because he screamed CG. If that's not what him say, bro, let me know. Bro, I'm 95% sure that's what the nigga said. But why them blur out that? I mean, mute that, but them never mute when Dopesmoke say him want to dance to the GBGs. Anyway, bro, boy, I don't know, you know, man. But, hey, let's listen.
They'll do it for the G's, let they'll do it for me. WD-40, hashtag clean. Can we go find some nicks? One got pack ice cream, and the other got pack ice cream. I just copped a new Rambo, and they want to dance with the GBGs. I don't think I really felt that my G. They scream out crush as they lost their scramble, and they want to dance with the GBGs. I don't think I really felt that my G. They scream out crush as they lost their squeeze. They scream creep up as they lost their creep. They're only on YouTube beef, you see. They can't compare to we. Chop and bang if you talk for the G's. If you talk for the G's, get it correct if you talk for the drillers. How many times do we fill up dingers? It's all fun and games, still sound go swimming. Broski fished them, left that twitching. Now these gauges back them dippers. We keep it real, can't talk for the hill. And if it goes left, no way am I snitching.
I got a match that's bigger than
No, I'm pulling up Silence verse again, bro. That just made me feel like I need a glass of water. I'm a buckle of water still. You understand? Dog, if you don't want me to do a glass of water review, let me know. I'll do it. But anyway, Silent, talk to me.
I really felt that my G. They scream out.
No, sir. When I say pull up, I mean pull up, bro. Like, start over.
clear for me.
My little bros ain't bigger than me, but they walk with the things that's bigger than me. You see, trust you don't wanna get spleeged, I'll do it for the G's, let they'll do it for me. WD-40, hashtag clean. Can we go find some nicks? One got pack ice cream, and the other got pack ice cream. I just copped a new Rambo.
Bro, the way him laugh, haha. Like the man actually laugh, bro.
One got pack ice cream, and the other got pack ice cream. I just copped a new Rambo and it went down to the GBGs. I really felt that my G. They scream out crush as they lost their squeeze. They scream creep up as they lost their creep. They're only on YouTube beef, you see. They can't compare to we. Chop and bang if you talk for the G's. If you talk for the G's, get it correct if you talk for the drillers. How many times do we fill up dingers? It's all fun and games, still sound go swimming. Broski fished them, left that twitching. Now these gauges back them dippers. We keep it real, can't talk for the hill. And if it goes left, no way
am I snitching?
I got a match that's bigger than me. Fill up a man that's bigger than me. I got a young G that's bigger than me. I'll clear myself, it'll clear for me. I need my money bigger than me, bigger than you, bigger than we. I need endless money increase. I can't stop this beef. It's bigger than me. I got a match that's bigger than me. Fill up a man that's bigger than me. I got a young G that's bigger than me. I'll clear myself, it'll clear for me. I need my money bigger than me, bigger than you, bigger than we. I need endless money increase. I can't stop this beef. It's bigger than me. I got a match that's bigger than me. Fill up a man that's bigger than me. I got a young G that's bigger than me. I'll clear myself, it'll clear for me. I need my money bigger than me, bigger than you, bigger than we. I need endless money increase. I can't stop this beef. It's bigger than me.
You hear the 808s in this? What? Wow. No. No. Can't believe my laptop won't play something so fast after that. Like laptop, give me a break now. You know here what I just listen to? Bigger than me.
I bought a match that's
I listen to a song that's bigger than me. That's bigger than we. I see an IC3 on ITV. Listen, man. Dog, them for sign me now, dog. But I got paused, fam. God. Aye. Listen, I'm very hype right now. This song does hype me up. I have a lot of energy right now. I feel like just punch a microphone. But yo, first actual song of the day. For you, I don't know what you rate this, but for me, bro, I can't get less than a 10 out of 10. I can't, bro. I know, like, compared to other songs, it might not be the most bars or the most flows or the most punchline, but I'm biased, dog. I'm biased. I don't give a fuck for my bias. I'm biased, dog. I'm biased. Yeah, dog. 10 out of 10. I don't care. Me, I go download this as soon as I'm done. And I don't download every song that I react to. That for tell you. You understand? But yo, 10 out of 10, 6-7, Dimzy, Bigger Than Me, Dopesmoke, Silent, A Glass of Water 2. If you have any more songs on A Glass of Water, you want me to react to A Glass of Water 2, you want me to react to, let me know. Or if you want me to react to the whole tape, let me know. You understand? Yeah, Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Yes. Wait, click my links. Like, share, subscribe, do all them something there, man. You know what to do already, man. Show support, man. Leave a like and comment. And I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah, cause when the girl them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get roll